Boom! Here we have the Nutricost Whey Protein Strawberry Milkshake flavor. Let's go ahead and taste this. Like running through a strawberry field. Let's get on to the nutritional facts, folks. There are 130 calories per serving, only 2 grams of fat, only 3 carbohydrates, so perfect for low carb or keto style diets, and 25 grams of protein. With a little math, we can see this entire tub is about 71% protein. The protein source is whey protein concentrate, so that's why it's going to be a little bit more creamy than something like an isolate. There are natural flavors, salt, beetroot powder, and that is for the red color. So there's no artificial colors in this here. They're using that beetroot powder, and it's sweetened with sucralose, which is also known as Splenda. It is made and tested in the US with globally sourced ingredients, and it's third-party tested, made in a GMP-compliant facility, non-GMO product. High-quality product, man. If we put 1 scoop in plain water and mix it with just a spoon, it mixes most of the way. There will be a few flavor nuggets left behind, so I would suggest that you mix this in your shaker cup, and whenever you mix it in your shaker cup, it will be completely dissolved. No flavor nuggets, no chunks left behind. It's creamy, it's smooth, tastes good. It does taste like strawberry. I would say, if you've ever had like strawberry milk, you know, that's kind of what this tastes like. It's smooth, it's creamy, it's good. But if you want to pump it up, you can always throw it in a blender with some milk and ice. And then, man, just like most of these different protein powders, it turns into this super extra creamy, delicious, sweet Swedish treat. Of course, you can throw other things in there like bananas, actual strawberries, really, you know, whatever you want that goes with that overall strawberry flavor. So if you're a fan of strawberry, this is one that you would probably want to check out. For me, I'll give it a flavor score of 8.5. It's good, it's strawberry, and if you like that kind of thing, you're probably gonna like this protein. So is it a pump or is it a dump? Well, folks, I will 100% give this a pump. 100% pump, folks. If you like strawberry flavors, this is one worth checking out. Sweet, but not too sweet. Smooth, no weird aftertaste. Nutricost always does a really good job on all of their whey proteins. So if you're a strawberry lover out there, let me tell you right now, get yourself some Nutricost whey protein strawberry milkshake flavor. What you gonna do, brother, when Nutricost runs wild on you? Woo!